Hey tubers and tubettes, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Alex. Okay, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, so I just got it in the mail and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today, and I hope you guys enjoy my channel today. It's very beautiful, as you can see, okay? And there's 8 major differences between the 14 Pro Max and the 15 Pro Max. First one is a slight redesign. Second one is titanium frame. Third one is mute switch is upgraded to action switch. And the fourth one is no more 120 gigabyte option. And the fifth one is new camera algorithms to improve image quality. Okay, that's the 6th one. The 7th one, the new 5x zoom. And then the last one, USB Type-C instead of Lightning. So let's open it up now, and then I'll show you, okay? So here it is, of my unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, okay? Now just let me open it up and see what it's all about, okay? Okay. I'm really excited, guys. Oh, by the way, I got a nice UAG case, Monarch series. So here's the case that I'm going to be using. Make sure you're equipped with the best technology equipment. Okay, guys? Okay, there it is, guys. Monarch UAG. I got the green, element green or elemental green, yeah. So I'm going to open it now. So here's the box. Okay. Thank you for following me on my channel. Thank you for over 1,000 subs. I'm just going to do a quick 15-minute video episode, okay? Okay. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I'm opening up now. Okay. Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm tearing it up now, guys. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Here it is, guys. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 250 gigabytes of awesome power. Here it is, guys, i15 Pro Max. The color that I got was, I got the blue titanium. Why? I don't know. This is the 256 version, so the 256 version, I got it is because I had a 512 before on my iPhone 14, and one thing I want to mention is that I already have 2 terabytes of iCloud storage, so I'm using like half of that right now, like 900 GBs. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put hydrogel film on the case. So I'm going to put hydrogel film on the case. Okay, I got my microphone on, I got the light on, okay guys? So I'm going to open that up right now. Okay. Here goes the unboxing. Okay, so I'm tearing it up. Let me get in there. Nobody's here right now, but somebody might come. I think I did good timing, so. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. That's amazing. Check that out, guys. Oh my God. Titanium blue. Check that out, guys. It's insane. Oh, I love the smell of that. Ah, new technology. Now, see, guys, I'm a photographer. I love taking pictures every day, and when I travel, I want to take the best picture, and I want to take the best video. So I love to record 4K video as well. So one thing I want to mention is that by default, I think it takes 24 megapixels, but I can change the settings to 12 megapixels or 48 megapixels. I think I'm just going to leave it on the default. 24 is fine, is enough for me, because I don't need to do, all those pixels. It's just way too many pixels for me, and it's going to take up way too much memory. Okay, so there it is, guys. Okay, and I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing video. Now, it has a slight redesign, so supposedly it comes with an action button. Okay, so there's my USB-C cable. Okay, so I got a USB-C cable right there. So that's my little USB-C cable right in there. So I'm going to plug it in, get it all charged up, because now I have to format. I already backed up my older phone, and I got to switch over. So here it is. Okay, and it comes with a nice USB-C. I'm not going to tear that off because if I tear that off, I'm afraid I don't want to scratch it now, but okay, maybe I'll do it. Okay, so that's the USB-C right there. Okay, I'm just going to take that off. Okay, there it is, guys. So, but I'm going to leave it on because I don't have any film right now, so. But that's my unboxing video, yeah. Why did I get it? Why not? Because, you know, it's good to have the latest technology, and it's good to be prepared when you're traveling and all that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the case right now then. So just let me open up the UAG case, and I'm just going to put it in there right now because I need the protection right now. Okay, just give me a second. There it is, guys. So this is the Monarch series, and this is the Kevlar. So you get the Kevlar. It's like a little bulletproof material there. You see that? And yeah, I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. So this is basically my yearly thing that I like to do on my channel. And I'm going to put this case on my phone now. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so what I'm just going to just like that, okay? Okay, so there it is. I'm just going to go ever so slowly. I'm going to close it. I don't know how much battery power it has. So, okay, I'm just closing it right now. Just give me a second. And I wanted to see if it's a perfect fit into the case, okay? Just give me a second, guys. Okay, perfect fit, fits like a glove, okay. So yeah, there it is, guys. It's all ready to go, all set to go, and I'm all ready to go. So now I could take the best picture and the best video content for my channel. And I'm filming this on my AX, gosh, I forgot the number, it's in Handycam, but I keep on forgetting the model name. AX, gosh, I think it's called AX P55, yeah, I think AX P55, whatever. But I got my light here, I got my little light here, so I got all this, you see that, I got a little light. So this light, and I got the microphone on top of it, so yeah, I'm all set to go so you can see me. Okay, I did 7 minutes. I guess, I don't know. I could push it to 15. Somebody's laptop and backpack is here, so there's nobody here right now, which is great. But I usually like doing these episodes like 10 or 15 minutes, so. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Now I just got to get out of here now, and I just want you to know that, yeah, I have it, and it's right there, and it's so beautiful, and it's ready to go. So, although I ordered a charger, the charger didn't come in yet, so I still have to get the charger. And I just want to let you guys know, yeah, thank you for joining my channel today, and of me unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm going to use it religiously. This is the USB-C cable that it comes with. Oh wow, okay, so it's like a heavy-duty USB cable, as you can see. It's a very it's basically different material than what they used before. It's more heavy duty pretty much. It's like almost UAG quality. So it's very, very, very durable. So yeah, that's about it, guys. And yeah, that's about it. I just want you to join my channel, and hopefully I can provide, you know, more interesting content. I just came back from Lampung province, and yeah, it was great. Lampung is from northern. It's near Chiang Mai. And yeah, I had a good time, and it was really, you know, it was really good. Let me tell you a little bit more about my UAG case. So it's built with Kevlar, 20-foot drop tested. Okay, so there it is. And here's the specs in back. I have the dual-pane Kevlar reinforced inlay, have handcrafted 5-layer protection, impact resistant soft core, traction grip, protective screen surround, and basically, yeah, here it is, guys. Our quintessential all-terrain rugged protective case provides unbeatable defense with premium materials including feather-like composite construction, shock-resistant core and tactile grip, Kevlar, a heat-resistant synthetic lightweight fiber with high tensile strength, ensures improved protection and performance. Keep your device safe and secure no matter where your adventures take you. I love that. And I like how the mountains are in the back. And I love how he's on the motorcycle like that, taking a risk wearing the helmet. I remember my brothers used to do that when they were younger. They used to get on the motorbike like that. Yeah. That's taking it back. Video games that I'm playing right now, I'm playing Trails to Azure, I think. Yeah, Trails to Azure. And it's insane. I'm on chapter 5. It's really a great JRPG. And other games that I'm playing, that's about it. I like now playing one game at a time. And games that I plan on getting, I'll let you know in a second on my Steam wish list. So just let me open up my Steam wish list, and I'm gonna let you know the games that I'm planning on getting in the future. So my Steam wish list is, I have the Sega Genesis Classics. So I'm a retro gamer, guys. So I really love to play retro games. Okay, I got the Landstalker, the Treasures of King Noel. I got that, and then I got the Light Crusader, and I have Sword of Vermilion. So see, these are games that when I was a kid, I always wanted to play, but I never had a chance to play it. So those are on my my wish list on Steam. And yeah, okay, I'm at 10 minutes now. There's nobody coming here. I got this place all to myself. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed today's channel. Although the TV is very high, by the way, they should lower it. It shouldn't be more than shoulder length high. So yeah, guys, I guess I'm all set and ready to go. Let me put my phone away before I lose it. I don't want to lose it because it's very, very important to me. And remember, I'm getting the hydrogel film. And basically, it's not like a matte film. You know, matte is like a, you know, it's like more, a matte is like a, I get the hydrogel film because it's the best protection, because you need that, because the thing is with film is that you better get it. And if you don't get it, you know, you're screwed. The thing is that I don't like the matte because the matte, it's not clear. I like the crystal clear one. You know, that looks like the one I'm using now. You see the one I'm using now? This is the one I'm using now, like something like that, okay? And it's basically, you know, it's not like a matte, you know, it's a little bit more rougher. But depends, you know, there's two versions you can get. It depends which one you like. I like the crystal clear one. I don't like the matte one. The matte is smoother, you know, but also it shuts off some light, so you wanna, you know, it depends what kind of film you want. The film that I use is the film that I always use, so I'm using this film right here, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy with what I got, and that's the film that I'm using, okay? So yeah, I guess that's about it for my channel. Nobody's coming here, so I guess I lucked out today, because usually, you know, there's people here, there's people sitting here. And yeah, I lucked out today, guys. I'm so excited for my phone. Now what I'm gonna be doing is, I have to be transferring my old device to my new device. So that's gonna take some time. And then today I'm gonna put the hydrogel, and that's about it, guys. Yeah, I did 13 minutes already. Let me do another 2 minutes because I love doing my channel. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's episode here at, yeah, so today the weather is getting very, how can I say, it's getting very cooler. So the weather is getting hotter now, as you can see, and it's very beautiful here. So my next travel plan, yeah, I'd like to go to the beach, and hopefully, you know, I can go there, and yeah, I'll just stay here for another minute because somebody just walked in. Okay, and yeah, that's about it, guys. So let me put this all away. Just give me a second. I'm gonna put my, okay. And let me get my gear here and get all this turned off. So I'm gonna turn off the light because there's already too much light here. So you see, that's my little light. I'm gonna turn it off though because there's already a lot of light here, so. Okay. Okay, I'm turning that off. And I'm getting out of here now. So just let me pack my bags, and I really hope you enjoyed today's episode today. Okay, 2 birds and 2 beds. Thank you, like I said, thank you for joining my channel, and I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you take care of yourself, take care of one another, and don't forget to help each other out. Happy New Year, it's 2024, and remember that, okay, guys, so I'm going to be putting that in my pocket. Okay, and then I'm going to be putting this in here. Okay. Okay, guys, I just did hit the 15-minute mark. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Okay, bye-bye. See you guys later. And let me know, are you upgrading this year or are you upgrading next year? Please let me know. Okay, bye-bye.